In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to choose between a mini and big Etsy shop banner. Your banner is one of the first things shoppers see, so it's worth taking a moment to set it up correctly and choose the layout that best supports your brand and your products. I'll walk you through exactly where to click, and along the way, I'll explain how each option affects the look and feel of your shop. First, open your browser and go to the Etsy marketplace. Make sure you're logged into the account you use to manage your shop. If you have multiple accounts, double check that you're on the one connected to your store so you see the correct dashboard and settings. Once you're on Etsy, look at the top right of the screen and click on the Shop Manager icon. This takes you into the back-end area where you handle your orders, listings, and all your shop settings. From your Shop Manager dashboard, look near the top where Etsy greets you and shows your shop name. There, you'll see a small store icon. Click on that store icon to jump straight to the public view of your shop. This is how customers see your storefront. On your shop page, find the Edit Shop button and click it. This switches you into editing mode, where you can customize your visuals, including your banner. Now, look at your existing banner area at the top of the page. On the right-hand side of the banner, you'll see a small pen or pencil icon. Click that pen icon to open the banner editing options. A menu will appear. Here, click on Change Layout. This is where you decide whether you want a mini banner or a big banner. If you want to add a bit of visual branding while keeping the main focus on your product listings, choose the mini banner option. A mini banner is shorter in height, which means more of your items are visible above the fold without scrolling. This can be a great choice if you have strong product photos and you want shoppers to start browsing immediately. If you prefer a more dramatic, branded look at the very top of your shop, choose the big banner option. A big banner fills the top of your shop with one large image, which is ideal if you have a strong hero graphic, a lifestyle image, or a bold brand message you want visitors to see first. Once you've selected the layout that suits your shop best, click Done to save your changes. Your new banner layout will update, and you can always come back later to switch between mini and big until you find the look that works for you.